Hello guys, my name is Bitnesh Sharma and this is my channel Spanish Guru where I've been teaching you this language. So today it's very interesting topic, that is pronoun. In Spanish we say pronombres. So today we'll talk about them. Before I start this lesson, I would like to review our previous lesson which we have about greetings. So as you can see, I have written here all our greetings of our previous lesson. In English we say hi, hello. In Spanish we say hola, hola. In English we say good morning, and in Spanish we say buenos días, buenos días. Good afternoon, buenas tardes, buenas tardes. Good night, buenas noches, buenas noches. Please, por favor, por favor. Sorry is spoken in two ways. Lo siento, perdón. Lo siento, perdón. Here lo siento is very deep, when you say very deeply sorry, lo siento. And if you say perdón is used basically. Let's see next. Thank you, it's gracias, gracias. You're welcome. You're welcome is said de nada. After taking gracias, you say de nada. Then welcome. Welcome at any place, you say bienvenido. Bienvenido is used for male. Whenever there is a single male, you will say bienvenido. And if you get the group of males, you would say bienvenidos. And what if you have the group of male and female mix? You would say also bienvenidos, bienvenidos. And if you have the group of female, or if there is single woman, you would say bienvenida. Or you have the group of females, you would say bienvenidas. I hope you get it. Excuse me, it's called discúlpame, discúlpame. Nice to meet you, mucho gusto, mucho gusto. Bye, it is called adiós, adiós. Alright. Note, as you might have seen there are some opposite exclamation mark as well. These are used in Spanish. So we have two exclamation mark. In starting we use opposite, and the last we use simple. Now let's move ahead to our pronouns, that is our today's lesson. As we have pronouns in English, I, we, she, he, they, you. These are the pronouns in English. In Spanish also we have same pronouns here. If we want to make any sentence, we need them. Here I have written I. I is called Joe, Joe, or you can say yo, yo. In some of the countries it is called yo. We is the plural. It means nosotros. Nosotros is used, it is in the same way as we have discussed about bienvenidos. Nosotros, whenever you have the group of male or mixture of male and female. Nosotros, nosotras is used for only females. He is L. L. All right. There is an accent. You can see there I have written note. This mark on A, in Spanish A, in English E, is an accent. It specifies the word. For example, L, it means the. It is an article. We have discussed it earlier in our second lesson where I talked about the articles. So L means the. It is an article. And as you see on A means E, there is an accent. That's how this is called, and this is specified he. I hope you understand it. Alright, let's move ahead. And this is our next pronoun, she. She is called ella. Ella. You can say ella or ella. Ella. The pronunciation depends on the country. They. Ellos. Ellos or ellos. Ellos or ellos. Alright. So I have written here, whenever you have the group of male, that time you would say ellos, or it can be the mixture of males and females. You can say ellos. And ellas. Ellas whenever you have females. You. There are two pronouns of you in Spanish. First is informal and second is formal. Informal is tú. Tú. Is it not simple? Alright. And formal is usted. 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 If we move ahead, we see there you all. You say you all. Vosotros. It is also informal. Vosotros. If you say ustedes, it is formal. Ustedes. Ustedes. Very quick note. Vosotros is used in Spain. Okay, in Spain this word is used. This pronoun is used. If you use ustedes, it is used in Latin America. Well, this is all for our today's class. So we'll meet soon with our next lesson, with our next topic. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't, so that you can get more notifications about my lessons. And please don't forget to learn this language with me, with Spanish Guru. Thank you so much.